What's your favorite drink? What about it is it that you like? Do you know the history behind it? Does it even have a history? Mead is considered to be the oldest drink in the world. But like many old things, mead has been mostly forgotten about for much too long. I would love to change that by turning the oldest drink in the world into the world's new favorite drink. Hi, my name is Andras. I'm the brewmaster at GALDR, and I love mead. Traditional mead only requires 3 ingredients: water, honey, and yeast. But depending on the source of the water, the origin of the honey, and the types of flowers the bees forage on, as well as several other factors, you can get very different results even when making a traditional mead. And when you then get creative and experiment with different ingredients, the possibilities are endless, and the resulting meads can be very different in both taste, texture, and strength. Different types of meads have different names depending on how they're made and what has been added to the base ingredients. That's what makes making mead so exciting to me, and why there's definitely a mead out there that suits your taste. And if there isn't, well, that's only because we haven't made it yet. Our traditional mead is named Dreipnisdropar, or the drops of Draupnir, which in Norse myth was a golden ring given to Odin. According to the legend, on every 9th night, 8 new rings of equal size and weight would drip from the original, just as this mead will serve as the source of all our magical meads to come. GALDR is an Old Norse as well as a Faroese word for magic. It's also the name of our small craft brewery in the Faroe Islands. We chose that name because we aim to pour a bit of magic into every bottle.